The creation of the charts, differently from what happens for other operations, can also take place with OMNIAlog in acquisition. In this video, for example, OMNIAlog is in the acquisition phase and has already carried out 42 measurements. To create the charts, select the Charts item from the menu on the left of the page. In the Logger Charts page, select the Configure Chart button. A new window will open in which you can select a range of dates to be graphed or put a check on the item's stone age and Now to always graph all the data. On the next page, it is possible to select which sensors to insert in the chart. All the sensors in the list can be entered. In this video, we insert 2 sensors connected to the local OMNIAlog channels. Once the sensors have been added, for each sensor it is possible to select the y-axis, the color of the line in the chart, and whether to display the markers or not. Having made these choices and pressing on Next, a new page will be opened in which it is possible to write the title and the subtitle of the chart and choose a short name to save it and be able to recall it in the future. Once these parameters have been set, it is possible to press Save and Plot Chart. In this way, the chart will be saved for immediate reference. After the loading phase, the chart will appear in a new window. The chart is dynamic and adapts automatically to better fill the browser page. It is also possible to temporarily disable and enable the plotted series, to zoom by simply selecting the area with the mouse, and to display the information of the points of the chart by moving the mouse cursor over the markers. Furthermore, in the event of an alarm, the markers will turn red. By pressing the Update button, the graph will be updated with any new data acquired since the opening. It is also possible to check Auto Update to ensure that every 20 seconds the chart controls for new data to be plotted. Using the button at the top right, it is possible to print the displayed chart or export it in the most common formats, such as the PDF. Once the chart page is closed, it can be recalled by selecting the Plot Chart button. By selecting Edit Chart instead, it is possible to modify the parameters with which the chart was created. By pressing Delete, the chart will be deleted.